So we have recently implemented shooting, and if we hit any of these obstacles which have a tag of stone and wall and all these tags, you can see it's coming blue colored because it was just doing global illumination. But it does fix it after some time. So right now there's no audio, and I said we were gonna implement audio in this video, the next one. So here it is. We are going to add audio to the gun, so when it's shooting, as soon as it shoots, there's gonna be an audio playing. Well, first in the Unity Asset Store, get this free package. It's the perfect one for guns, and has many of them, multiple guns supported in this audio. So we just take the post-apocalypse guns demo and it's free. So just add to the assets, and then in the package manager, search for it, and it's here, import. So just search post-apocalypse, and then import. We don't need so just press import, but we don't need the ZX Extreme. We will use shotguns, we will have snipers, pistols, we will not have miniguns, so it's just a looping one. I don't like looping ones, they're not really good. Just gonna import that. Alright, so it's done importing. We have a new folder called post-apocalypse guns demo, and just drag all the folders inside it into our my assets folder, and just delete the post-apocalypse folder. Let's create a new folder inside the my assets folder, and call this folder our audio. And let's select this one, and pistol, and there's one more. Where's that? Yeah, here it is. Command select, and then just drag them all into audio. Then inside the audio we have all of these. So we just create another folder and call this folder gun. We're gonna drag these folders, so one and these three. I'm just gonna rename this to guns. Now we have assault rifles, pistols, and all of these. Okay. On our player inside the play model. Inside the player, inside the hips, mix ammo, rig spine 2, and the right shoulder. Inside the right hand you have a gun holder which has the AK-47, and it's having a shot effect. So let's just give it an audio source in the AK-47. It's asking for an audio clip, and on audio we have the series down settings. Just gonna make the spatial blend to 3D so that it's 3D audio, not on the screen. Let's save the project after that. So now we have to define a new variable, and it's going to be a type of audio clip. You will also need an audio source. The clip is going to be the clip, the audio clip which we just imported, and the audio source is the component we just added. So I'm gonna copy this serialized field and paste it here. Take it to the audio clip. These audio clips, and just rename this one too. Actually, we don't need these really, so it's just one gun for now. Later on, when we'll be swapping between guns, I think we can then do this type of stuff. right now it's, I think, okay to just have one clip. This clip is for our assault rifles. You might not be able to hear the audio during this video because I actually do not do the audio recording while making the video, so that's why you can't hear it actually. But if you're gonna select these, you will hear the noise of each of these. Now I can't hear. If you can't hear it, then it's no problem, because the video is created before and then we add the audio to it, so that's why this is like this. So now let's just name the audio clip to rifle shoot audio clip. Save that. Now inside here I'm going to define a new one called private audio clip, audio source, and this is going to be our gun audio. Let's just add a comment, say private var, the space as well. Just copy and paste these anywhere where we just change from serialized to private direct, private and private. Private here, and here this is not private, so well here we do have many, so just add it here. Then we have another one, paste in here and close it all up. Now we have a good reference to the gun audio, but it's really not set. Just have a type of audio source, so we're gonna get it in on the awake. So let's get gun audio source. I just did a shortcut build by mistake. Sorry about that. Anyway, Unity is saying something to me. I don't need to enable it. It's just a mistake. So to get the gun audio source, we are going to say gun audio equals get component in children, right? So the reason in children is because the script is attached on our player and the audio source is attached down in one of those children's, which is the gun, AK-47. So now we're gonna get component children of type audio source. Now it's set, so we have a reference to the audio source for our gun. Let's add a space in between those. Inside the region of player shooting, we right now play the particle system dot play. Let's add a space underneath and call this one gun audio dot. So now there are multiple ways this play one shot. There is span stereo, and that's how if you want. I think play one shot. So now it's asking for an audio clip and the float volume scale. So the audio clip, we have a reference to it. We can give it rifle shoot audio clip and set it to 1F. Then a space underneath and add a comment. let's say add the space and add the comment, play audio and play effect. Then just add a comment here. Just a comment. We will write this later. What do I write? Just many of these, or just two enough? Alright, so now we're done. Close the player shooting. I think it's a better idea to put it above. Let's assign it in the inspector. We're gonna give it the first one, so autogun 1p_01. If we hit play, I can't hear anything. Well, even if it was making any noise, you wouldn't be able to hear it, and that's because I just told it before that you can't hear audio which was recorded during the video, because I record audio after the video. But anyway, it's not making noise for some reason. Let's just stop the game and drag in the audio clip into the audio source instead, which is a better approach also, because when we'll have multiple guns, you should just be able to play the gun audio and not multiple. So just delete that audio clip. Now we have an error. It says that we don't have anything at this. We'll just delete that, and we're gonna call play gun audio.play. So let's hit play again, and now see, I can still not hear the audio. There's no audio. Of course there are the effects. Why is there no audio? Oh, that's the button over there. Oh, now I can hear it. You can't hear it because same reason anyway. So, but you'll be able to hear it in your own editor after making this on, not with the X. So just keep this button on. It should not be in a lighter gray. So we have the post-apocalypse. Let's just get the animation. We're not gonna set up the animation yet. We're just gonna import it and really just set up. We're not gonna use it. So first we search for rifle aim. Here I have it. Just search for rifle aim, and we have this one here. Download without skin. FPS for Unity. 60 frames per second, and download. There it goes, and then we're just gonna drag this into Unity Direct. Inside our My Assets, Animations, Clear, into the gun folder. So there it is. Now we have it to select humanoid, change it to copy from the avatar, and we have so Vanguard by TW. What's this? No, sorry. Put in Vanguard and hit apply. There's some error coming here. Warnings found while importing rig. I'm not sure why that happened. Anyway, just cleared it. For some reason, let's just see what's wrong. It says warning found. It's not telling any problem. Let's just redrag it again. So let's drag this again into the gun and make it humanoid, copy from other avatar, and give it Vanguard. If I hit apply, something is wrong. Clear. I think. What's the problem? Oh, I have imported the wrong character's animation. So this is Ybot, and the one we want is not Ybot. So in the characters, search for Van, and there it is, Vanguard. Use this character. I was just using the Ybot for my other project. Right now we need to have Vanguard, so just switching. Oops, the mix and move apps line was just frozen, so we just have to refresh it, and Vanguard is selected. Now in the animation, search for rifle aim, and you have this rifle aiming idle. Make the breathing to 0, then download without skin, FBX for Unity, 60 frames per second, and hit download. It's downloading, and we do not want this one because this is the wrong one. Ybot. We want the Vanguard, so just drag in the Vanguard. Then we go to the rig, say humanoid, copy from other avatar, Vanguard, and hit apply, and there's no warning. Now on the animation, we're gonna take loop time and apply. Rifle aiming idle. Just duplicate that and delete the FBX. Now let's select Unity model on both of these, so both of them have a Unity model. Alright, so you can see that he's not catching it correctly in the rifle idle. That's why we added an offset when we were getting the aiming system. So for this one, let's just see the angle. If it's same, then there's no problem. I think it is same. So our normal offset system will do the job for us, which we set the aiming rig with an offset of 50. So same, save it. Let's just have a look. Alright, so we're done with this now. That was really all we needed to do. In the next one, what will I do in the next one? Oh, what will I do? I think I should make the aiming system. Alright, so in the next one we're gonna get into aim. That's why we imported the animation. Just here we did the play and it's all working. And remember to keep this on. And now we can hit play. And if we shoot, play model in AK-47 and just turn off the awakes, because otherwise it's just playing on awake. As soon as you start the game, there's a huge noise, even though we don't need that. You couldn't hear it because of the problem I just told you before as well. So you can see now I can hear it, and you won't be able to hear it of the video, but in your own editor you will be able to hear it while firing. This video is not giving in the audio of this for some reason anyway, so we can stop the play mode, and that's it.